Welcome to Grapes and Raisins Cluster Jamkhandi, established under MSECDP scheme of Ministry of MSME Government of India, with the guidance of KCTU Government of Karnataka. SPV is located in the center place of grape growing area, having a vision to produce quality raisins by using upgraded technology. CFC is beneficial for around 170 member units and more than 100 unregistered micro units in the region. CFC has cold storage setup which has 3 cold rooms. Cold rooms are well equipped with latest technology refrigeration system to keep processed raisins in good quality and hygiene. Cold storage has outdoor compressor shed for proper air circulation to improve the refrigeration efficiency. Unprocessed raisins are washed thoroughly in the wet processing cascade setup to remove dust and stones. Then raisins are moved through the conveyor to 2 sets of spin drying unit where the raisins get surface dried without altering the texture of raisins. With the help of material handling equipments, dried raisins brought to grading and aspiration setup which removes the stems and loose materials from the main cores. Then it passes into the destemming setup to remove the stems attached to the raisins. Raisins are then moved through another set of grading and aspiration unit to remove smaller stems. Then it passes through metal detector where any metals in the raisins are detected and removed. Then raisins moves into laser and camera based color sorting setup in which the raisins are segregated into 3 varieties based on the color. Processed raisins are then weighed in the sensor-based automatic weighing machine to the exact requirement. Raisins are then packed in the box packaging setup. CFC also has facility of pouch packaging setup to make the different types of retail packaging from 50 grams to 1 kilogram to cater the needs of retail market. CFC has laboratory setup to test raisin and grape growing parameters. Water utilized in the CFC is treated in well-established RO water treatment plant. Waste water generated in the CFC is well treated in effluent treatment plant. CFC has 24-hour power supply having 500 kW transformer and bidirectional metering cubicle setup. Using solar energy, CFC has established 200 kW solar rooftop power generation setup, which is synchronized for net metering to meet the electricity expenditure of CFC. Thank you.